it smell like spruce?
No, it doesn't. It smells like schnapps. I wonder why. Yeah, just a little party up late the other night, I guess. Misplaced my glass. We're going to do one more here and take a little break. Once again, thank you all for stopping by and sharing this moment with us. We really appreciate it. That means a lot to us. We all look forward to it, don't we, Cactus Bob? This is the one thing we all look forward to every year.
You got it.
Getting a chance to perform here for all these nice folks in the Gold Country in this fabulous old classic theater, vaudeville house, really, I think it was. And
Really? What year was this built?
what year was this built, Byron?
1919.
1919.
Wow.
That was the heyday of vaudeville, I guess.
It's older than that.
Anyway, we're going to do one last little tune here. Take a little break, give everybody a chance to get up and stretch. And do we have refreshments out there, I guess, Byron?
Yes.
Yes, we do. All right. And what about the corner, the little, do you have stuff available?
That's not
Something adult beverages? Any? Yes? Maybe you're on your own, I don't know. We'll be out in the lobby, I know that, Cactus Bob. Making everybody's Christmas, of course. Those people that, last-minute shoppers, be happy to pick up 6 or 7, 10. Pick up a Sourdough Slim CD for everyone on your list, as a matter of fact. Huh? Spread the joy on Christmas Day. You imagine how that'll lighten up the house. That'll be good. Anyway, we'll be out there. We're running some seasonal specials that you can't afford to not take advantage of, so if nothing else, just stop by and say hello. And anyway, we'll leave you with this one, and we'll be back with some more fun after this. Are we ready? Open up them pearly gates, open up them pearly gates, open up them pearly gates for me. Hallelujah, Lord. When I hear that trumpet blast, I'm coming home at last. Open up them pearly gates for me. Well, listen, all you sinners, if you want to get to heaven, better get down on your knees and pray. All you gambling skinners, better quit playing 7-Eleven. Get yourself prepared for Judgment Day. And I done had a vision, seen the pearly gates are closing. I seen you sinners all outside. Better make your decision, pray that you'll be chosen. It'll be too late when you done lay down and die. Open up them pearly gates, open up them pearly gates, open up them pearly gates for me. Hallelujah, Lord. When I hear that trumpet blast, I'm coming home at last. Open up them pearly gates for me. Now go out to your chicken roost, ask yourself an honest question. The Lord will know it if you lie. Better turn all them chickens loose, or you're gonna die from indigestion when you eat that stolen chicken pie. Open up them pearly gates, open up them pearly gates, open up them pearly gates for me. Hallelujah, Lord. When I hear that trumpet blast, I'm a-coming home at last. Open up them pearly gates for me. Take that keg of gin, dump it every bit right in the river. Don't let old Satan play your hand. If you fill it up again, it'll eat a hole right in your liver. The gates won't open when you reach the promised land. Open up them pearly gates, open up Thank you, friends. Cactus Bob, the Prairie Flower, Michael P. Kennedy, Robert Armstrong. We'll be back after a short break. See you then.